Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Tamara the Bad is here. As you guys see by the title of today's video, somebody suggested that I do a kitchen pose room. So here are 5 different kitchen pose rooms for you. So I'm not gonna do too much talking, and yes, we are doing a voiceover today. I did not feel like doing all that editing, but without further ado, let's get into the video. Wait a minute, don't give more for you to cut my heart all in it. I just wanna be with you tonight. Like please, yeah, it's true, but I changed the thing for you. Let's see what it's true, and I'm for real. This is how I feel. I'm in need of love. Let's live up that I give. Oh yeah, it's my time. Everything's so fine. I just wanna chill. Let's live up that I give. I'll admit it. This just ain't no game. We should stay first. Instead of minute. You can see the thought that's in my head. Like please, but yeah, it's true. But I changed the thing for you. Let's see what it's true. And I'm for real. This is how I feel. I'm in need of love. Let's live up that I give. Oh yeah, it's my time. Everything's so fine. I just wanna chill. Let's live up that I give. Wait a minute, don't give more for you to cut my heart all in it. I just wanna be with you tonight. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. I just want to clear up some things because you guys keep bothering me to link the stuff in the description down below. This girl said she saw it perfectly fine. She even went inside the rooms. So I don't know why you guys aren't able to get it. Since you guys aren't able to get it, I'll start linking them down in the description. So you guys will be seeing the links to these kitchen rooms down in the description. They were very hard to look for, so I'm sorry if they didn't reach like some of y'all expectations. You know, just enjoy the video. And we're close to 1K, so go ahead and get your girl to 1K, you know, 1 motherfucking K, you already know. And yeah, so I'll be seeing you guys next time. Let me know down below what videos you guys would like next for me, and I'll get that done. Bye guys, God bless.